by me. On the white line, okay? This game is called Racing Nights. So we're going to have a little bit of a race now, okay? So, when I say go, I want you to run as fast as you can towards me, okay? And you're going to stop just here. Do you think you can do that? Are you ready? Are you steady? Let's go! Run, 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 run. Look at that! This guy, instead of running, can only move like a kangaroo. How does a kangaroo move? He jumps. You can only jump towards me, okay? Do you think you can do that? Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Jump in! Jump towards me! There we go! You come in! There we go! Look at this jumping! Jump! 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 There you go!